Okay, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evenings. You guys are based on different locations. Okay, so let me first introduce myself. I believe that inshallah this training will be a very good training for all of you guys, and you will learn a lot today to help your businesses move in the right directions. And tomorrow we will have more additional training on digitalization stuff. So let me introduce first myself. My name is Sayyid Naveed Hussain. I am from Pakistan. I'm an industrial engineer by profession. I am also executive MBA in marketing and finance. I have 16 years of experience in plant operations management, lead multiple businesses for startups and lean manufacturing, work in the big multinational like Procter & Gamble, Honda, Mondelez, and Obic investment groups in 6 different countries like UK, Nigeria, Morocco, Egypt, Saudi Arabia. I have been engaged in the business excellence program since last 12 years, implemented integrated work system for PNG, ILCSS for Mondelez, WCOM, Obican manufacturing excellence programs. I have been leading the WCOM program since last 4 years as a head, and managing digital transformation since last 2 years as well. So this is brief about me as experience. And as the PS pillar is also the most important in terms of end-to-end synchronization, as I mentioned, I will give a brief about, because this is what I mentioned in the content of the presentation, at the start of the presentation, that I will explain you end-to-end synchronization. So what is exactly end-to-end synchronization, why it is important, and how we can deliver end-to-end synchronization. And so first we will do what exactly is the end-to-end synchronization. What is a synchronization? So synchronization is the extreme level for me, that the best case scenario for synchronized end-to-end supply chain is that you deliver to the customer whatever he is requesting on daily basis. You source, produce, and ship on daily basis, which means that whatever customer is looking for, you can make it on daily basis. You can get the material on daily basis from the supplier, and you can ship on daily basis, which will help you. How it will happen, we will discuss later. This will help you retain that maintain the reduced inventory. So you are currently have, every company is having the 2-3 warehouses for raw material, 2-3 warehouses for finished goods, because customer has given us the forecast and we are producing, but later on customer is not asking to deliver, but we are maintaining the higher inventory because we want to make sure that whenever he asks, we deliver. So the issue is that we are maintaining the high inventory, we are producing at the highest cost, and obviously that is impacting our productivity, because we are keeping the bigger organization to make sure that we are always flexible to deliver to the customer whenever he needs. So a synchronized supply chain will be more reliable, predictable, and that will allow us to simplify the system and the process to make sure that from our supplier till our customers, everything is so smooth. Sorry, just a minute. That you get the information from your consumer when the consumer is buying your product. Okay, you flow the information till the supplier, that help us everyone know in the supply chain that how they should so they react based on the more accurate information. For example, if we have 5 items of that product in the store, and one item is purchased, everyone in the supply chain will know that this item is sold. And so everyone, for example, raw material supplier know that, okay, this material will become short, and the manufacturing side will order me this material. He will make sure that he will start procuring this material, and the production will know that they need to start making this material because this material is now off the shelf now. So this information flow by using the ERP and other digitalization tool help you to build a mechanism which ensure to help you have a reduce inventory, reduce your cost, improve your productivity, and you can save a lot of cost in terms of distribution channel warehouses, internal warehouse in the production. Supplier also can have reduce his inventories, so everyone get the benefit of it. There are 3 elements in the end-to-end synchronization which help you deliver it. At supplier basically deliver to demand, which means that you are getting the information and you are only delivering to the demand, which means demand coming from consumer. Basically, when the consumer is buying sale, so the demand is initiated automatically. So then supplier is delivering to demand, manufacturing is producing to demand, distribution channels, they are deploying to the demand to the markets, and then the customers who are basically retailers, they're ordering to the demand. When they are seeing that the customer is buying, and they are ordering the demand. So everyone in the supply chain is reacting on the demand, not based on the forecast. So you just want to eliminate this point of having a forecast which is given to the people for months ago, like 2 months, 3 months, 4 months ago, and then you are just building the capacities, building the inventories, and maintaining it. So the two main benefits are basically you help your cash, you don't block a lot of money in terms of inventories, and you make good profits. So what is currently happening is basically in the current situation is that your customer is basically having a demand, and it is giving a demand to distribution center, and from distribution center to the back end, you're only having a forecast mechanism. The distribution center is telling the manufacturing side that, okay, I need this much volume in the next month, and then after that, for like 5-6 months, it gives you forecast, and the manufacturing start building the stocks. Similarly, the manufacturing also gives the forecast to the supplier, and they start building the stocks. So what is the wrong here is that if they have the more visibility about the customer demand, then they will produce accordingly. So in the synchronized system, the customer demand goes to the manufacturer level, and end-to-end synchronization, it goes to the supplier level. So end-to-end synchronization is that everyone in the supply chain has a visibility about the demand, and that's why they maintain the right inventory levels, and they produce the right stuff. So nobody is producing a product which might be phased out later on because they are maintaining the higher inventory, because the customers and the supplier may not be interested, and you need to change the product. So this will help you address many challenges in the supply chain. So why it is important? Again, the question is that if you know the demand, that you will not maintain the high inventories in the supply chain. So it will improve your responsiveness, reduce your inventories and the cost, and increase your productivity. So you will produce the right product rather than producing the whatever forecast is to build the inventories. Now,